Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design this beautiful manual clamp. See these threads and each and every part we will assemble and design and assemble in SolidWorks. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. Even you can find this PDF file or JPG file in our Facebook page. So let's start the manual clamp. Now here we will sketch the first part of manual clamp base. Choose front plane, sketch, and select here center line and start from a point, connect it, exit, again choose center line and draw one line just perpendicular to this line. Now make the relation between this line tangent. Okay, now let's assign the dimension 50 mm, (45 mm) and choose this length same 50 mm and make sure the angle 14 mm. Okay, by default. Okay, select circle and draw circle 1, 2, 3, 4 and at the end 5. Now define the radius. Keep diameter 8 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, 6 mm and the last one also 6 mm, and define the distance for this circle to this circle 20 mm. Now select circle and draw a circle here and one circle here, one circle here. Now let's define the dimension. Keep 16 mm, keep 16 mm and the upper one choose 20 mm. Select OK. Select a line. Now start from this line up to here and connect with this. Okay, now make a relation tangent. Again choose a line, select from this point to this point up to this point. Make relation tangent. Select line and connect this point to this point. Make one relation, both the lines should be parallel. Okay, select, draw from up to this point. Now define the angle. Keep 36 degree. That's it. Select both the construction line and make relation symmetric. Now it is 36. So define this gap 50.37. Okay, now define this angle also. $16.125. $6.125. Okay, now here we will just confirm the relation tangent. Choose trim entity and trim this inside circle. That's it. Choose fillet. Select radius 6 mm and choose this end. Okay. Now this time choose 13 mm and select this end. Okay. Now here select bigger 26 mm. Okay. Okay. Now this radius are defined. Okay. Now our dimensions are defined whatever we want. 16, 20 this corner radius. And make sure this distance by default 3 point something. That's it. .76. Okay, so now our geometry is fully defined. Okay, now let's extrude it. Choose mid plane and keep the thickness 2.5 mm. Okay, now first we will assign the material carbon steel. See. Okay, now select the faces, or let's select the go to solid. We want to apply red color. It looks nice. Now save this clam. Go to desktop, create a new folder, manual clam, and this is the part number 1, clam base. Save. Okay, so let's move for the next part. Now here we will sketch the second part, clamp elbow right. So first choose front plane, sketch, and draw a center line, draw a vertical, then horizontal, a center line. Let's first make the dimension 45 by 45 mm. Now choose circle and draw big circles and small circles. Now let's define the dimension. Inside 8 mm and outside 24 mm. Inside 6 mm and the outside 16 mm. Keep 8 mm and outside dia 16 mm. Okay. Now select a line and start from this point to this point, exit, again select this point to this point. Now define the select this point tangent relation, and this already tangent, select this point tangent, and select this point and it's already tangent. Choose trim entity and trim this inside circle. Select line and connect from this point to this line. Now again choose trim entity and trim this. Okay, make sure one relation parallel. Okay, draw one center line from this point to this point. Now define a relation here. Keep the degree 45. Okay, choose corner radius or a sketch fillet and define the corner radius 6 mm. Okay, now our geometry is fully defined, so select extruded boss, choose here mid plane, keep thickness 40 mm. Okay, now we will create one plane, so choose top plane, plane 70 mm above. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal, draw a line, exit. Now define the dimension from origin point to this point, 17.87, 5.03, and the distance 2.5 mm. Okay, now choose offset entity 2.5 mm and select this reverse direction. Okay, now close both the end, exit. Now we want to extrude it. See, select extruded cut. We want to cut outside dimension, so make it 80 mm or choose here flip side to cut up to through all. Okay, now see, choose fillet 1 mm, select this end and this end. Okay, again choose fillet 3 mm, this inside face and this side face. Okay, now hide the plane. Now define the material, carbon steel, and the surface appearance of select all the parts and go to solid red color. That's it. Now save this part. Save as part number 2, clamp elbow right. This is the right elbow. Save. Now we want to create left elbow, so with the help of this we will create left elbow. Just do one thing, select this one face, go to insert, choose here mirror part. It is asking select OK. Now see, this is the mirror for this part. Now hide this, all the axis, all the planes. And the same material red. So this is the left part. Now save as part number 3, clamp, elbow, left side. Save. Now see, we saved left and right both. Let's move for the next part. Now here we will make the next part, clam footpin. Choose front plane, sketch, select circle and draw 2 circles and keep the inside diameter 4 mm and outside 6 mm. Okay, and extrude it. Choose here mid plane and keep the length 25 mm. Okay, select chamfer 0.25 mm and select this upside both the direction. Okay, now we will assign the material blue. Or let's assign steel, carbon steel, better assign blue color so it will looks better. That's it. Now save as part number 4, clamp foot pin. Okay, so let's make the next part. Now here the next part is clamp base support. So choose right plane, sketch and draw a circle with diameter of 6 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 2 mm only. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch and draw a circle with this face. Keep the diameter little bigger, 8 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 20 mm. That's it. Now select again this face, sketch and draw a circle here and keep the diameter to 6 mm and extrude it up to 2 mm only. Now select this face, sketch, draw a circle here. We want to create a hole, throughout hole, so keep the diameter 4 mm. Okay, and select extruded cut here and choose this through all. Select OK. Now see a throughout hole. Now choose chamfer. Keep 0.3 mm and select this inside face. Okay. Now we will assign first raw material, carbon steel. See, now select all the parts and blue color. Now save as manual clamp. Part number 5, clamp base support. Okay, now here let's move for the next part. Let's make the next part clamp base spacer. For that we will select right plane, sketch, and draw a 20 dia circle. And extrude it 20 mm, but make sure it is mid plane. Okay, now select this end and draw a circle here, and keep the diameter 8 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 2.6 mm only. Okay, now we want to mirror this extrude part to the next direction, so we will choose right plane, mirror, and select directly this cutout part. See extruded boss here, or even you can select from here. Select OK. Now see, it is mirror. Now select front plane, sketch, normal, and here we want to create a hole, so just select make a hole with diameter of 10 mm, and select extruded cut, and choose here through all both direction. Okay, now see, select here chamfer, keep 1 mm, select this hole, select the color yellow. Now save this part number 6, clamp base spacer. Okay, so let's go for the next part. Now here we will sketch the next part, clamp foot. Choose front plane, sketch, select corner rectangle, and draw a corner rectangle. Now let's keep the dimension 20 mm. Select this line and delete this equal relation. Now change this okay. Now define this length 21.5 mm, and distance from here to bottom line 10 mm. The same from this point 10 mm. Okay, now select extruded boss, choose here mid plane 19.6 mm. Okay, now select this face, sketch, normal, select line, draw a triangle and connect with this point. Make the 90-degree angle. Draw a center line first. Select these three lines and make one relation symmetric. Select dimension 1.5 mm and the distance from here to this point keep 2.5 mm. Okay, select linear pattern, select this line as a axis. Here select the lines. Choose this axis. Keep distance 3 mm x-axis, and we want 3 numbers but make sure reverse direction. Assign 6 number. That's it. Okay. Now select extruded cut and choose here through all. Okay. Now see the groove is made. Select this face, sketch normal, and the same geometry we will sketch here also. Select and connect with this midpoint, and select this mid line and make sure it is vertical. Now assign the distance 1.5 mm. Distance from one end to another end 2.5 mm. Okay, choose linear pattern. Select here these three lines. Keep the distance 6 mm, 3 numbers. Select OK. Now select extruded cut and choose here through all. Select OK. Now see the grooves are created. Now select this face, sketch, and draw a circle here with origin point and keep the diameter 6 mm. And select, we want to make a hole, so make sure should be through all. Okay. And we will assign little chamfer 0.5 mm. Select this inside face of hole. Okay. Now this clam foot is ready. This is the midpoint. Okay. Now let's make the material. We will select some iron material. Sandblasted iron or cast iron. Cast iron is better. Now save as part number 7, clam foot. Save as. Okay, so let's move for the next. Now here let's make the next part is clamp hinge. Choose front plane, sketch. Select, first draw a center line. Now select this line vertical and this line horizontal. Draw a line. Exit. Now here we will define select this line and this point and make relation mid. I think no, we will do one more thing. Select this line, center line, and this line. Now we will make relation concentric. Okay, now select this line and this line, collinear and equal also. Both lines should be equal also. Now define the dimension, 15 mm, 7.5 mm, 9 mm and 4 mm. Okay. Now select revolve boss base. Select this line as a axis. Okay. Now again choose the same plane, front plane, sketch. Draw a vertical line. Now here choose corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Keep the gap 1.5 mm. Make horizontal line actually, not vertical. And define the distance 3 mm. And this length keep 1 mm. Okay. Now select mirror. Select this 4 line, mirror about this line. Now it's going to mirror here. Select OK. Now select revolve cut. Select this line as a axis. See, it's going to cut both the direction. Now the grooves are made. So this is the groove. Choose chamfer 0.5 mm and select both the outer edges. Okay. Now select the body and assign the solid color yellow. That's it. Now save this part number 8, clamp hinge. Here. Okay, so let's go for the next part. Now here the next part is clamp lever. So we will select right plane, sketch. First draw a circle for clamp lever. Keep the diameter 5 mm. Okay, and just exit. Select front plane, sketch normal, and let's draw the next part. Exit. Now define the length. Keep 96 mm and 26 mm. Okay, select fillet, corner fillet, and keep the radius 16 mm. Okay. Now just exit. Now select sweep to boss base. See here path is selected. Just select the profile. So this is our circle. Now profile selected. Choose chamfer 0.5 mm and select both the end. Okay. Now we will assign some material, steel, brushed steel. So this is the clamp lever. Now save as part number 9, clamp lever. Okay. Now go for the next part. Now here the next part is clamp rod. So choose front plane, sketch, and start from origin point. And connect it with origin. Exit. Now let's define the dimension. 130 mm. Keep 18 mm. Now define the height. 5 mm. And define this height 3 mm. Okay, select corner rectangle and define this length 2 mm, 1 mm, and the distance from bottom line 2.5 mm. Okay, choose trim entities and trim this inside face. Okay, now select revolve boss base, select this as a axis. Okay, now see, select front plane, sketch, and here we want to create a hole. Keep the distance 8 mm and the diameter of hole keep 5 mm. Okay, and select extruded cut and choose here through all both. See, okay, now the hole is created. Make some chamfer, select this inside hole 0.25 mm. Okay, now we will make one more chamfer here 1 mm and select this edge. Okay, that's it. We will make one more chamfer 0.5 mm and select this end. Okay, now we want to make some thread here. For thread we will first create one thing. First we will make path. Select this face, sketch, convert. This converted. Now choose helix and spiral. Select height and pitch. Height keep 90 mm. Pitch keep 2 mm. Reverse direction 135 degree. Here reverse direction clockwise. Okay, now select this edge, this line, plane, and select this point. See, we want to create a plane on this point, coincident. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal, and here draw a circle for path. Keep the diameter 0.5 mm. Okay, now select this point and this line, pierce. So this relation, select OK. Now exit. Now let's select swept cut. The profile selected, just select this path See, it is calculated and it's going to cut. Okay, now this finish. Now just hide this plane. Now first we will assign the material to this brushed steel or satin finish stainless steel. Okay, now save this part. Part number 10, clamp rod. Okay, okay. Even we can increase the diameter of this pitch. Just click the diameter, make 1 mm and enter. It's maybe hang due to sudden change. Sometime it's happen, maybe your computer slow or maybe heavy calculation. Sometime it's happened. Now we will now here finish. See 1 mm. This is the thread. Now save. It's going to save. Let's move for the next part. Here the next part is clamp T. Choose front plane, sketch. Select center rectangle and draw a rectangle. Now define the length and width and height. 14.6 and the height 15 mm. Now choose sketch fillet. Keep radius 2 mm and select the full rectangle. Select OK. Now select here extruded boss. Mid plane and keep the thickness 15 mm. Okay. Now we forget to make a hole, so just we will edit this sketch. Select hole and draw one hole in mid plane, midpoint, and keep the diameter 6 mm. Just exit. Now see the hole is created. Now select this face sketch and draw a circle here. 8 mm and extrude it. .7 mm only. Again select this face sketch. Draw one more circle and keep diameter 6 mm and extrude it up to 1 mm. Not extrude cut, extrude boss. Keep 1 mm. Okay. Again select this top face sketch. Select this 8 mm circle, convert it. See, it is converted. Extruded boss. See here. Keep 2 mm. Okay. Now see, the one portion is created. Now we want to make mirror, so choose right plane, mirror about, select the last 3 extruded bodies. Okay, now see, it is mirror. Now choose chamfer, select this circle 0.5 mm. Okay, now we will define some solid color to this body. Go to solid and solid yellow. So this is the our clamp T. We will see in assembly how to fix it. Just save is clamp T. Now here we will make custom made screw. Choose front plane, sketch, and draw a 4 mm circle, 4 mm diameter. Okay, and extrude it up to 6 mm. Save. Now select this face, sketch, and draw a head from this face. Keep the diameter 6 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 2.5 mm only. Okay, see, this is simple screw. Select this face and here draw one hexagon. Choose polygons 6 numbers. Select the distance 3 mm. Okay, and select extruded cut inside up to 1 mm only. Okay, now choose chamfer. Select 0.3 mm. .15 mm and select this end. Okay, so this is our custom made screw. Just we will define some chrome, brushed chrome. Save as screw. Part number 12, screw. Okay, now we created here all the parts. Let's go for the assembly of manual clamp. Now here we will start the assembly of manual clamp. So first choose new assembly, and here the assembly window open. Just browse our first part. We will choose clamp base. Cancel, open, go to desktop, manual clamp base, part 1. Okay, now this is like this. Now we will browse the next part. We will try which one is suitable. Try left one. Okay, now just rotate this part. I think the left one, no, we need right one. It should be come out. So browse the right clamp. Okay, now we will make relation. Select this hole and this hole. Make relation coincident. Okay, Select this face and this face, coincident. Now that's it. Now see, it is rotating like this. Now here we will make, let's bring the next part, clam footpin. Now we will assign some relation first. Choose met, this hole and this coincident relation. Okay. Just take it out. Select this face and this face. Okay. See. It's coincident. Now we will insert our next part, clamp hinge. Select mat, select this outside drum and this face, make relation concentric. Okay, just drag outside. Now select this face and this face. Select OK. Now see, it's fixed here. Now we will insert the next component. So just we will copy this first part, press Ctrl, select this first part, drag it, copy. Now see, it is copy. Mat, select this face, concentric. Okay. Now we will fix this part. First we will rotate this part. Okay, choose mat, select this hole and this hole, coincident relationship. Select this inside face and select this outside face. Select OK. Now see, now select this face and this face, coincident. Now we will assign some relation. Select this face and this face, coincident. Okay. Here also this face and this face, coincident. Okay. So now both will move together. See. Okay. Now select this one and delete this mat. First mat, okay. Second mat, delete. Now select this face, sketch, mat, this face. Okay. Now this is the fixed here. Now let's insert the next component, clam base spacer. Select this face, mat and this hole. Okay. Now select this face and this face, mat. Okay. Now see, the relation is created. Now insert the next component, clamp T. The same as select this circular face and this hole. Make relation concentric. Okay. Now just go to advanced mat, choose width, select this face, this face, this face and this face. It is in mid, select OK. That's it. Now select this face and this, choose mat. Cancel this relation. Now select this pin, control, copy. Again select this pin, control, copy. We want to make 1, 2, 3, 4 pin, copy. Choose this face, mat, the hole, concentric, OK. Now this face and outer face, concentric, OK. Now bring it here, this face and this, OK, this face and this face, coincident, and bring this last pin, concentric mat, coincident mat, OK. Now we will bring the important part, clamp rod. Now choose mat, select this face and this hole, concentric mat, OK. Now select this face and this face, coincident, OK. Now select this hole and this, make concentric relation. This is very important relation. Now select mechanical mat. Now the next is very important relation, screw relation. So choose mat, go to mechanical mat, choose screw. First we will select this face, here selected. Now select this face and hide this part, and select the inside face. This is second face. Choose here distance, key 5 mm. This is very important relation, reverse direction. OK, OK. Now select this component and click show. Now see, the screw relation is created. Just make this, see it is rotating, this up and down. We will easily understand by adding one more part. Add clamp lever. Just rotate the clamp. OK. Now make relation, select this inside hole, mat and this rod, lever, coincident, OK. This is the in center, and we will choose the relation lock. Select this and this. Select here OK. Select OK. Now this is the locked here. Now we will see how this clamp will move. See, screw thread is working. So this is the relation screw. See, it is rotating. Now we will see what other parts are balanced. So just browse it, clam foot. Select this hole, mat and this pin. Okay, concentric relation. Now go to advanced, choose width. Select this face. Okay. Now just browse the same part again, or you can copy it by copy paste, copy control method. Okay, just make relation hole pin. Okay, go to advanced mat, width, this face, select this face here and this face, select width. Okay, now select this face and this face, coincident. Now see, both face coincident. Okay, okay. Now we will make up and down, it will move together. Now insert the component. Which component is balanced? Clam base support. Actually delete these two component, yes, and these two. These pins are only for downward direction and this is for here. Choose mat. Okay. Cancel. Select this face and this face. Choose OK. Now just make control copy this part. Select this face, mat, hole. Concentric relation. Select this face and this face. Okay. Now this fixed here. Now the last part we will fix the screw. Mat, screw, this face. Okay. Now we will make some relation. We will use copy with mat. Select this component and here first select the hole. So select this face and select this face. See, it is copied here. Okay. Again choose this hole and this face, copied here. Okay. Again choose this face. See, copied here. Select OK. Now let's try the opposite direction, either it will come or not. Select this face. Okay, it's copied. Okay. The same as we can copy for all the faces. Okay. Hole and the face. Okay. Again it is asking, select this hole and select this face. Okay. Okay, select. Now see, this is the our manual clamp. Okay, let's do one thing. First save it, this ready clamp. Now save it as a assembly, manual clamp assembly. So this is the our final assembly of manual clamp. It is very widely used clamp in the world. See, I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. And don't forget to share and like our video. Thanks for watching.